What do you mean? Oh. Well, what the hell? Situational waterfall, danger. Well, let's check both, huh? Yes. Well, borderline is mid-river. Oh my god. Oh, how the hell is this above the waterfall? We're going down.
I think they got the signs on.
Oh man, we're gonna die on the way back. Going up is easier.
For my knee, yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, that's the same thing down there, right? The other trail just now?
Like it, yeah, I don't know. I had money left over, so I put another path. Fucking hell, it's a long way down, huh?
Yeah. Okay, we go down. What the hell? Good, brought the food and drink. Oh man, I'm a dead man on the way up. I tell you.
I don't think you'll be smoking on the way up.
No way. Oh, beautiful. Oh yeah. I think this way, is it? There's a trail here. Yeah. Wow, look at that. Come to Papa. Oh yeah.
A little bit careful on mosquitoes, man.
It's mosquito.
Yeah.
Tad Huang, international waterfall. Excuse me. Yeah. Get your passport ready. Ooh, look at the nice natural pool. Woohoo! Well, if it's a May or June, I will be swimming here. Not in this weather.
Also, I think down here the phone's not working. Wow.
Tad Huang, waterfall in 2 countries.
We can go up here.
Yeah, we need a view of the thing.
Wow.
This is slippery, man. I did it, yeah.
Why don't you drop it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go to Laos for lunch.
Okay.
It's getting better.
You're in Laos already, huh? Oh, man. Yeah, sure. That on the right is Laos. I'm sitting in Laos right now. This is Tad Huang Waterfall. Thailand is at the left. The rock you see over there is in Thailand territory. Nha Heo district of Loei province.
Here we are at the waterfall with Chef Goran having Brazilian corned beef, opening it with a Swiss army knife, and delicious tuna pate. I don't know where that come from.
Yummy, man.
Wow. And we're all alone. No one else is here. And this is our table and the view.
Did you take photo from here? Signboard and this?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
No to cross Laos. This is my catwalk, guys. Men's lingerie. How does my ass look?